Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys one of the best tips for you girls who have oily skin to stop producing so much oil. Okay, but this is the God honest truth. Your skin produces oil because it's dehydrated. When it's dehydrated, it overproduces oil and then your makeup doesn't stay on. So this is what I've been doing for a while. So I get the Tarte Maracuja oil. You can actually use coconut oil. If you're acne prone skin, I would use this. And I shower and then I get out, I put it on immediately when I get out of the shower. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 drops on my face and then rub it in. And look, I mean, it's all over my skin. You guys can see how shiny my fingers are, right? So I go ahead, let it absorb, and then I sit here and I do my eye makeup. And then I get a toilet paper, a very dry toilet paper. This is the Scott 100 sheet, 1-ply toilet paper. It doesn't have any like moisturizers or anything in it. And what I do is I actually wipe off the remaining amount of oil off my skin. And then I apply, see, I just took off all the oil. And then I apply my primers and my foundations. Now, you guys are like, no way this works. Oh, this can do one of two things. This can work immediately. Like my mother says, oh, you know, makeup doesn't stay on my skin. I put this on her. I put like 6 drops at first. It absorbed within 2 seconds. And then I put like 10 more drops. It absorbed within like a minute. I mean, it was crazy how dehydrated her skin was, and she never thought about that. So on her skin, it worked immediately. But on other people, sometimes it can take up to a week or 2 for your skin to balance itself, because you need to get your pH balance in check for you to stop producing these oils. If you are going to use an oil like this under your foundation, I would totally like put a spray sunscreen on, or use a foundation that has a sunscreen, just so you don't like reassure that you're burning or getting any age spots or anything like that. But this is honestly the best way and the best tip for you guys to stop producing oil. Tell me in the comment section if you guys have done this. It's ridiculous how red my skin is. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. Let me know in the comment section if you have something that's better than this oil tip. I would be really interested in knowing. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.